Welcome back to the Lazy Dog Wood Shop. Lazy Dog Wood Shop. I like that name. Maybe I'll tag it. So anyways, here's part two of my segmented wood turning project. As you can see, I've got all of my rings stacked up and actually started turning on the bottom segment there. But as usual, whenever I'm doing a project, I screw something up. And the first thing I screwed up, and I'll try to getting close here. You see that piece with the X on it? Right here? That piece was actually supposed to be part of this ring. Let me grab a ruler here, maybe I can show you. Okay. You can see that segment measures roughly 1.5 inches. And if I go around to the next segment on the same ring, you can see it measures 1.25 inches. So what I did was I accidentally put a segment that was supposed to go in this ring into this ring, and consequently the segment that was supposed to be up here is in this ring down here, which is the 1.5 inch ring. Now this ring, I don't have any gap. It closed up tight, which is good. But the next ring up, you can see I got a gap there, which could present a problem when it gets into turning. Now I also explained to you that my wood turning tools weren't deep enough to hollow out the inside of this vessel, which is almost 10 inches tall. You can see that there's just no way I was gonna be able to do that. So I've separated this project into sections. If you look down here at the bottom, you can see I've already started turning, and I basically just got, this is a piece of mahogany and this is oak, and I've got that round. So what I'm going to do is, this is going to be the top of the vessel. I'm going to do it in sections. To turn the bottom part here, all I did was take my faceplate and screw it to the inside here, put it on the lathe, and then turned it round. And while I was there, I also cut a mortise, which this will end up being the bottom of the vessel. And I cut this mortise in here so I can use my 4-jaw chuck, and then I can put that assembly back onto the lathe and take this faceplate off. Then I will take the middle section here and glue it like so. Now this 4-jaw chuck will screw to the lathe, and I can continue to turn this basically round, and also turn the inside of the vessel because my tools are at least long enough to reach inside of that to clean it out. So that's my next step. When I get ready to do that, I'll post another video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And thanks for watching.